Synchro laboratory. I'm sorry, but I'm not specialist for video. But it's going to be a pleasure to explain to you what we're doing with the standard generator and what we've done with. So, like here, you can see we got the first one we done, a small 35 kilowatt hour. So it was for inspect the idea I got at the beginning, because my name is John. I forget, it's all right. My name is John, Jean, in French, Jean. And I'm the guy who got the idea to modify a standard generator. And when I modified the generator, like you see here, the rotor is running like a standard generator. There's no problem. It can run, and everything is okay. With a little modification on the stator, you can see a new cap on and a small shaft, and that gives the possibility to keep running the stator the same way the rotor is running. So you got two pieces in movement. In a standard machine, you got just one piece in movement. It's a rotor, and the stator is usually fixed like a motor, electric motor. You have the stator, both the stator on the ground and the rotor is turned inside. Generator is the same thing. But here, when the rotor is moving, it gives the possibility to change the speed. The speed is one of the most important things in a generator. The speed between the rotor and the stator is going to give you the hertz on the grill. So if you want to produce 60 hertz on the grill, your machine, if you got 4 pole like standard generator, you have to run 1800 turn minutes. So if you want to put a machine like gas oil or fuel or all motor work with fossil energy, so you can drop the rotation of the motor like 1600 turn minutes, and the rotor is going to run 200 turn on opposite side. It's very important, opposite side. So the addition of the opposite side, 200 turn, and the other side, 1600 turn with the motor, is going to give you 1800 turn. So you got 60 hertz. But the advantage you got, your motor is running slow, you save fuel, you save the machine, you save everything. So, like on the small video, we're going to show you this machine working, and I will come back after talk about the other one, more bigger a little bit, a 75 kilowatt hour. Now, like you can see, there is a 75 kilowatt. It's the same thing, the 35 kilowatt. So it's just upgrading of the system. Now we got a tubing to put the stator, the rotor inside. The motor is on the top. No piece in movement. You can touch nothing. Usually you got a guard on the strap here, so you can touch nothing. It's just for showing you which way it's working. It's the same way of the 35 kilowatt. And you got a small video, we're going to show you how we put all that inside and which way it's working inside too. So it's going to be a nice video for you to look 4. Okay, thank you. And now there is the 500 kilowatt with a big motor, Caterpillar. The motor is a 3412, and we build with that motor because the budget we got, we have to use a whole motor for make the test. Like I say on Kickstarter, the problem we got, that motor is a whole generation. So we're not able to work like we want with. So we got lots of problem with that motor, so we have to change it. That's why I am on Kickstarter to find some help. Like you can see, it's a big It's 500 kilowatt. It's almost the same thing of 75 kilowatt and 35 kilowatt. Here is it, the generator with the casing, like you can see. We make a big casing. We put all inside, like the other one, like the 75 kilowatt. There is a control for the generator and the motor. Everything is there. Everything is working fine. Everything is running fine. But just the motor is not doing, the fuel motor don't do its job. We're supposed to save more fuel than that for the pollution. So we expect to put a new motor, new generation, because that motor is in 1980. So it's like you take a car of 1980 and we take a car of 2015, something like that. The difference of fuel consumption, it's different. So like you can see, we got, like the other system, we got the pulley to run the stator inside. And it's more bigger. It's a 500 kilowatt, so we have to put some pulley to upgrade the difference of gear, to gear down. So here we go on the other side, and you can see the motor, electric motor on the top. He's running the stator, and you see what we've done for running that. And like you can see here inside, you can see a little bit, it's all the electricity cable came out from there. So it's the same thing of the other one. More bigger and more, the generator is efficient, but it's the motor, electric motor, the fuel motor, the problem. So we expect to change that motor, and it's very expensive. And the next step, we have to build more bigger than that, because the market need more bigger machine, more bigger than that. And all in the north of Quebec and northern Canada, all the community, they got all some motor like that running 24 hours a day for make electricity for the community. So we expect to go on the market there and all around the world. So like you can see, it's a nice machine, very nice. So you see the other video, it's going to show you how it's work. Inside the machine, just to show you how big is the machine. It's going to give you a better idea of the power of the machine, motor and the generator. Like you can see, it's not smaller, but the next one has to be approximately the 2 times more, double